Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the oil in your Toyota Highlander. First, gather your supplies, including the correct oil, a new filter, a wrench, and an oil drain pan. Safely lift your vehicle using a jack and secure it with jack stands for stability. Position the drain pan beneath the oil pan, then carefully remove the drain plug. Allow all the old oil to completely drain out before proceeding to the next step. Once the old oil has drained, it's time to replace the oil filter. Use an oil filter wrench to carefully remove the old filter. Be prepared for a small amount of residual oil to spill. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This ensures a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it about an additional 1/4 turn with the wrench. With the new filter in place, reinsert the drain plug and tighten it firmly, but avoid over-tightening. Now, locate the oil fill cap on your engine, usually marked with an oil can symbol, and remove it. Carefully pour the recommended amount of new engine oil into the fill opening. For most Highlanders, this is typically around 5 to 5 quarts, depending on your specific engine. After adding the oil, replace the fill cap and carefully lower your vehicle. Start the engine and let it run for a minute or two, then shut it off. Check for any leaks around the drain plug and the new oil filter. Finally, check the oil level on the dipstick and add a small amount more if necessary to reach the full mark. Remember to properly dispose of the old oil at a certified recycling facility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.